Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Chapter 8 Algebraic Expressions for Class 6 from Sin Textbook for Class 7. What is algebra? Algebra is a branch of mathematics in which we deal to create mathematical models to handle the problems that we can't solve using just arithmetic or numbers. In algebra, we use symbols to make sentences instead of using numbers or words. Symbols means alphabetical letters A to Z. Algebraic expressions are terms. Algebraic expressions are connected with operation plus and minus, and it is included terms. Terms are always connected with plus and minus, not connected with multiply and division. For example, 3x plus 2y plus z. This is the algebraic expression consists of term. 3x is first term, 2y is second term, and plus 6 is third term. Terms are connected with variable, constant, and coefficient. For example, x plus 5y minus 7, it is the algebraic expression consists of terms, and terms are consist of variable, constant, and coefficient. Variables are denoted by small letters, generally x, y, z, a, b, c, d, etc. Coefficients are the numbers which is the multiple of a variable or multiplied by a variable. For example, in 3y, plus 3 is the coefficient. In minus 7z, minus 7 is multiplied by z, it is coefficient. Minus z, minus 7 is coefficient. Coefficient is always multiplied by the variable. Constant is the number appearing independent of variable. The numbers which are not multiplied by any variable called the constant. Plus 3 and minus 4 upon 7 are the constant. They are without variable. They are numbers and fraction, rational numbers or irrational numbers. What are terms? We have studied earlier. There are two types of terms. First one is like terms. Terms having same variable. For example, x, 6x, 1 upon 2x. They have same variable. These are called like terms. Unlike terms having different variables, such that x, 4y, 3 upon 2z. They have different variables, so they are called unlike terms. What is polynomial? Polynomial is an algebraic expression containing a single term as well as two terms and more than two terms. For example, 2x is monomial. Monomial means single term. 7y minus 4x square is binomial. Binomial means having two terms. Minus 4y plus 3x to the power 5 is trinomial. Trinomial means having three terms. There are three terms, 4x minus 4y plus 3x to the power 5, and they are connected with plus and minus, not multiplication and division. The exponent of any polynomial must be the whole number like 4, 8, 7, not in the fraction such as 3 upon 2, 0.5. जो पावर्स हैं आपके पास अल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन की, पॉलिनोमियल की, वो होल नंबर होनी चाहिए. Rules for addition and subtraction. Addition or subtraction must be performed with the like terms. For example, 3x plus 2x is equal to plus 5x. Only same variable terms must be added and subtracted. Minus 6y plus 4y is equal to minus 2y. Two same signs will be added and two opposite sign terms will be minus or subtracted, and the resulted sign or the answer sign will be of greater term. You can see here in the minus 6y plus 4y, the sign is in the answer is minus. Why it is minus? Because greater term is of minus 6y and minus 6y have the sign minus. So the answer, in the answer, the sign will be of minus. There are two methods of addition: horizontal method, vertical method. There are three terms: 4y, 3y minus 10y. In the horizontal method, we are taking common variable outside the bracket, and the bracket we are taking only coefficient. First coefficient is plus 4, plus 3, second and third one is minus 10. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 minus 10 is minus 3y. Why this is minus 3? Because there are two different signs and 10 minus 7 is 3. Two different signs will be subtracted and the greater term is of minus. So the resulted sign will be of minus. We can write minus with 3. Minus 3y is the answer. In the vertical method, we are writing in the column 4y, 3y, 4y, 3y becomes 7y. Now we are writing third term below 7y, which is minus 10y. Minus plus will be minus. 10 minus 7 is 3 and the sign will be of greater term. Greater term is 10. So the sign will be of minus. Minus 3y is the answer. The answer is same for horizontal method and the vertical method. Addition for trinomial or the expression. There is a horizontal method. Example is 6a plus 2b plus 3c, 2a plus 4b plus 9c. First we write in the bracket. The first expression is 6a plus 2b plus 3c and the second expression is 2a plus 4b plus 9c. We are adding them, so we insert plus between the bracket. Now open the bracket. First bracket remains same and second bracket will remain also same because there is plus. Plus sign cannot change the bracket sign. Sign remain same. Plus 2a plus 4b plus 9c. Now by arranging the like terms. Why we are arranging the like terms? Because there is a rule for addition. Only like terms will be added. So 6a plus 2a plus 2b plus 4b plus 3c plus 9c. 6a plus 2a become 8a. 2b plus 4b become 6b plus 6b plus 3c plus 9c become plus 12c. This is the answer because there are unlike terms and we cannot solve ahead. Addition for trinomial, it is the vertical method. In vertical method, we are arranged in the columns of same variable. 6a plus 2a, 2b plus 4b plus 3c plus 9c. We are arranging in the column. They are overlapping each other. 6a plus 2a become 8a, 2b plus 4b become 6b and 3c plus 9c become 12c. like terms can be added and subtracted. So first we arrange in corresponding to the like terms. Now the assignment is exercise 8.1, page number 134, question number A and question number B. You will do only vertical method.